Hey everyone, and welcome back to 4Wheels Empire. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the all-new, completely redesigned 2024 Toyota Prius. This iconic hybrid has been a game-changer for fuel efficiency for decades, but for 2024, Toyota has thrown out the rulebook, aiming to make the Prius not just good on gas, but also stylish, fun to drive, and packed with tech. So, buckle up as we see if the 2024 Prius lives up to the hype. It's always been cool to avoid spending stacks of money on gas, but it hasn't always looked it. The redesigned Toyota Prius makes a meaningful effort to change that. For the first time, the Prius is both stylish and reasonably fun to drive, all while achieving better fuel economy than before. With an EPA estimated 56 mpg highway rating, it has a jump on its compact competitors, which are slowly falling in line behind the Prius by adding hybrid powertrains, a group that includes the Hyundai Elantra hybrid and Toyota's own Corolla hybrid with a hybridized Honda Civic coming eventually. We can't believe we're saying it, but the Prius is a fun and cool choice, which helped secure it a 10 Best Cars award for 2024 and a spot on our 2024 Editor's Choice list. Now let's talk about what's new for 2024. Toyota makes no significant equipment changes to the 2024 Toyota Prius following its complete redesign for the 2023 model year. Engine, transmission, and performance. One powertrain commands the Toyota Prius lineup. This is a 1.9 HP hybrid setup that uses a 2.0-liter hybrid inline-4 gasoline engine, borrowed from the Corolla Cross hybrid crossover and bolted to a continuously variable automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive is standard for all-wheel drive Priuses. Toyota adds a high-output, permanent magnet electric motor to the rear axle, bumping total powertrain output to 196 horsepower. The launch to 60 miles per hour, which took last year's Prius an exhausting 10.5 seconds to reach, now takes just 7.1 seconds according to our testing of a front-drive limited model. That's quicker than both the Camry Hybrid and Elantra Hybrid. Thanks to larger front and rear brakes, the new Prius stops sooner from 70 miles per hour than its last iteration to, doing so in just 171 feet versus 194 feet from a previous test. Toyota Prius MPG. The EPA estimates the Prius is good for 57 mpg in the city and 56 mpg on the highway for the front-wheel drive model. That's a 4 and 6 mpg improvement over the last gen, but the all-wheel drive LE variant makes the largest fuel economy jump from the previous model, going from 49 to 54 mpg combined. On our 75 mph highway fuel economy test, the Prius delivered 49 mpg. For more information about the Prius's fuel economy, interior, comfort, and cargo, while the 5th generation Prius took on a new, dare we say, sexy shape, the interior played it conservatively, featuring a more traditional automotive cockpit. For the first time, the Prius now has a gauge cluster directly behind the steering wheel, but its location forces you to adjust the wheel far down in order to get a clear view to the gauges. The sleek exterior design creates a roofline that's lower by 2.0 inches than before, clipping some headroom from the rear seat. Base models get a Fox leather steering wheel, but upgrading to the Sleigh or higher trim will unlock heated front seats, more cup holders for rear passengers, and rear heated seats. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2024 Toyota Prius starts at $29,045 and goes up to $36,060 depending on the trim and options. Known for its incredible fuel economy, the Toyota Prius delivers on its green promise. Its lineup of safety equipment and extra features is as strong as its disinclination to stop for gas. Base models come with 17-inch wheels, blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert, and a not-so-outrageous starting price. Infotainment and connectivity. Both base and upper-level models get larger screens than the previous car had. An 8.0-inch infotainment screen comes standard on LE and Sleigh, and Toyota uses a massive 2.3-inch touchscreen for the Limited, or as optional equipment for the Sleigh. This system includes Toyota voice control and updates its infotainment over the cloud thanks to over-the-air updates. The larger screen comes standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability and available Wi-Fi. In conclusion, the 2024 Toyota Prius is not just a car. It's a statement of sustainability, technology, and efficiency. With its eye-catching design, advanced features, and eco-friendly performance, it's a compelling choice for those who prioritize a greener future. If you're looking for a fuel-efficient car that doesn't sacrifice style, comfort, or technology, the 2024 Toyota Prius is definitely worth considering. As always, be sure to check out other reviews and test drive the car yourself before making a decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews.